In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change groups in Board View on Notion. Managing your projects, tasks, or even your personal notes on Notion can be more dynamic and organized if you know how to effectively change groups in the Board View. This is particularly useful for those who handle a large number of tasks or items and would like to categorize them better to ensure a seamless workflow. Follow along as we go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace on Notion. This is your primary dashboard that contains all your documents, notes, and projects. If you're not familiar with Notion's layout, it might help to take a quick tour of its features. Once you're settled in, you'll see a button that says Log In if you're not already signed in. Click on this to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for today's instructions, we'll assume you already have access. After logging in, the next step is to go to your Notion home. The home screen is essentially your main hub where all your pages and projects are listed. It's a bit like the home page of a website. Everything starts here. It's designed to give you a broad overview of your space, making it easier to access your projects. Next, find and click on the database you wish to work within. This is crucial because every board or table you create in Notion is essentially a database. Within this database, you'll see an option to access Settings. Click on that to delve into more customized options for managing your Notion space. Within the settings, look for an option labeled Group and give it a click. This is where the heart of altering your board view comes into play. The group settings let you organize your data into visual columns on your board based on specific properties or categories. This makes it far easier to visually digest your information and understand what needs your attention. Furthermore, you'll see an option that says Group By. By clicking on this, you can select the property you want to group your tasks or items under. It could be by status, task owner, project name, or any other property you have defined. This feature is incredibly useful for tailoring the view according to what suits your workflow best. By now, you should be able to see your board organized under the new group settings you've selected. Once you've made these changes, play around with the options a bit more to find what works best for you. Adjusting these settings can greatly enhance how you plan and manage your day-to-day operations within Notion. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing on Notion.